Hello, CRAIGTRADER.com. Craig calling, checking in with you guys from San Francisco today, and out here doing a little research with some relaxation. But I'm in the Golden Gate State Park right now in San Francisco. It's beautiful out here, by the way. I don't know if any of you all have been out here, but this is one great city and a lot to do. Been out on the bay, been checking some things out. This is one of the places to stop and see, Golden Gate State Park. Really a great place to come check out. So anyway, guys, just letting you know about the stock market. As you know, Nvidia has been pulling back some the last few days. I meant to check in with you earlier. It pulled back some, and at the time I sent out an email to those of you that are subscribed to the newsletter. I sent an email out letting you know that I had sold 25% of my shares at the time, because I don't know how much it's going to pull back or how long, and I wanted to lock in some of those gains. And I'm up over 100% on my investment in Nvidia, so I wanted to lock in some of those gains. Those of you that are still in Nvidia, and should be, I would think, I'm going to continue to invest long term, continue to dollar cost average in, which means I'm going to buy consistently over time a certain amount that adds up, and just continue, because it's a great company. It's still number one in its brand. Doesn't really have any competitors that can come close to doing what Nvidia does. I'm not a financial advisor, as I said, just helping you all along the journey with me to increase our wealth. Also, I wanted to let you know, please, if you like the videos, hit the comments. For those of you that are not sure, if like me, I'm not sure if there's going to be more of a pullback or not, but if you want to hedge yourself against the possible losses that could come from a stock market going down, pulling back, going into bear territory or whatever, I do have a video that you can look up. It's called How to Limit Your Stock Losses. So many of y'all can check out that video. It explains more about trailing stops, some of the investments that I use when the market may be pulling back to actually gain while the market is going down. So you'll find that helpful and useful. So continue to do that. Also, I'm still continuing to invest in Robinhood. I'm still continuing to invest in Palantir. Those are two companies I really like. Continuing also for the high yield income producing people, I'm continuing to do the Coney, CONY, Misty, MSTY, and Ulti, ULTY. Another one that's based on Nvidia is NVDY. So I'm continuing to invest in that also to increase our monthly income. QQQY is also another one. And another ETF that I wanted to tell you about that I don't know if you've been involved in yet, but I did mention it on one video, and it's SOXX. SOXX. So what that is an ETF that basically covers the chip semiconductor market. Some of the major companies, AMD, Nvidia, and things of that nature. So rather than investing in one particular stock, which is what I do, I'll have ETFs and stocks that I think are going to rise at a faster rate than other stocks and ETFs. But I'll also couple that with ETFs to kind of give me some more exposure to that particular market, and also spread some of the risk of any downturns. So that's a good way, I think, to play it. And the semiconductor market is on fire, like many of the markets are. So you can continue to invest in the semiconductor market with SOXX. Ticker symbol SOXX, Semiconductor ETF. So I would say put that in your portfolio. It's been doing quite well. I don't have my charts in front of me, but it's been doing really great. And you can continue to invest in that, as well as the Nvidia and many of the other ones that I just mentioned. So also, if you have not done it yet, when I have certain alerts and I don't have time to make a video, such as like this, if I'm traveling or involved in a conference or doing something else, then I'll shoot out an email as fast as I can to some things that I may want to alert you to. So some of the things I'm talking about now, those that have put their email address at my website, CRAIGTRADER.com, you get the alert faster than before I make the videos that go out on YouTube and various places. So definitely get involved and drop your email address in the CRAIGTRADER.com website, and you'll be privy to all of that, all things that I come up with earlier before, when I'm making trades, when I'm making investments. If I get any ideas of what's going on in the market, any special alerts, you get them free of charge. CRAIGTRADER.com. Drop your email address. Doesn't cost you a thing but a little time, but it can make you a little money or a lot of money over time. So it's to your benefit, it's to our benefit, and it's a way for us to stay in touch as a community. So appreciate that. And look, you guys, enjoy life. Life is shorter than you think. Continue to enjoy life. Continue to work on your dreams, your goals, your desires. Don't die with what God has placed in you to give to others. Continue to work on your faith, work on your finances, and let the prosperity grow. Also, you can't win the game unless you're in the game. So get in the game, play to win, stay blessed, stay focused, stay prosperous, and I'll see you all soon.